Let's take just a minute with the Baby G Powerpuff Girls collaboration. For the latest G-Shock release, Casio has added some Chemical X to the Baby G's winning blend of sugar, spice, and everything nice. The new collaboration brings whimsy and spunk to the rugged G-Shock line. Now don't let the cutesy look fool you. The Powerpuff Girls Baby G Plus is just as fully featured as any other G-Shock. It's water resistant to 100 meters, and the resin case is also shock resistant. The 3561 module offers a world time stopwatch alarm and an LED light function. The Baby G Plus's resin case is fitted to a special matching resin strap featuring the iconic trio. Designed as a pass-through strap, it can be easily removed to swap to the bubblegum pink silicone carrying case. Decorate it to your heart's content with the included stickers to make it your own. That's the Baby G and Powerpuff Girls collaboration, and it is available today in the Windup Watch Shop for just $139. Now, this limited edition won't be around forever, so get yours today, and remember, not all superheroes wear tights, some wear pretty dresses.